3D printing dates back to the 1980s, with Chuck Hull inventing the first stereolithography apparatus in 1983. Layer-by-layer printing enables complex geometries that traditional manufacturing can't achieve. Bioprinters can print living cells, aiming to create functional organs for transplantation. 3D printers use various materials like plant abs, TPU, metal, and even chocolate. In space, astronauts use 3D printers to produce necessary tools, reducing the need for bulky cargo. The smallest 3D print ever made is about the width of a human hair. 3D printing reduces waste, as it only uses material necessary for the part. Some 3D printers can print multiple materials simultaneously, blending them in a single object. Houses and bridges have been 3D printed in certain parts of the world, revolutionizing construction. The first 3D printed car was produced in 2014 and had 50 parts. 3D printed food is a growing sector, with pasta, meat, and desserts being printed. Continuous liquid interface production, CLIP, is a 3D printing technique 100 times faster than traditional methods. 3D printing in fashion has led to customizable shoes and avant-garde clothing designs. Titanium is often used in 3D printing for aerospace and medical implants due to its strength and lightness. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping, reducing development times for new products. 3D printed prosthetics are more affordable and customizable than traditional ones. 3D printed coral reefs are being explored to help restore marine ecosystems. 3D printing in medicine has led to personalized drug dosages and delivery methods. There are 3D printed musical instruments that produce unique sounds. 3D printed electronics integrate conductive materials, creating functional devices in one go. 3D printing can recreate extinct species skeletons for research and museum displays. There's 3D printed makeup that allows users to customize colors and patterns. The 3D printing market is predicted to surpass $40 billion by 2024. 3D printed jewelry offers intricate designs that are hard to produce traditionally. 3D printed textiles have the potential to revolutionize the fashion industry with new textures and patterns. 3D printing in dentistry can produce crowns, bridges, and even orthodontic devices. Some 3D printers can print at a molecular level, targeting nanotechnology applications. 3D printed drones are lightweight and can be custom built for specific tasks. 3D printing helps in preserving historical artifacts by replicating them without damaging the originals. The 3D printing speed varies, with some industrial machines completing prints in hours and others taking days. Metal 3D printing uses a process called sintering, where metal powders are fused using lasers. 3D printing in education allows students to bring their ideas to life, fostering creativity and technical skills. 3D printed tissues are being researched for drug testing, reducing animal experiments. 3D printed casts for broken bones can be custom fitted and are more breathable than traditional ones. 3D printed glass is a reality, allowing for intricate and beautiful designs. 3D printed shoes can be tailored to an individual's foot shape, offering maximum comfort. The layer thickness in 3D printing can be less than 100 micrometers, leading to fine detail in prints. 3D printing in architecture allows for modular construction and unique building shapes. 3D printed organs might be a future solution to organ donor shortages. The first 3D printed dress was introduced in 2013, showcasing fashion's potential with the technology. 3D printers can produce moving pots in one print session without assembly. 3D printing in ceramics is gaining traction, leading to new artistic possibilities. 3D printed houses can be constructed in less than 24 hours in some cases. 3D printed tools are being used in remote locations where shipping is a challenge. 3D printed chocolate allows for personalized shapes and designs for special occasions. 3D printers have been miniaturized to fit in a backpack for on-the-go creations. 3D printing has been used in top-tier automotive racing to produce lightweight car parts. Some 3D prints can change shape when exposed to specific stimuli like temperature or light. 3D printed fashion shows are events where every garment is produced using the technology. 3D printing reduces the carbon footprint as localized production reduces the need for long-distance shipping.